Here we go. And now this is something else we can do, the textures with neon lights. So the glow texture we saw earlier, here's another example of that. In this model, which you probably haven't noticed yet, inside these little crevices, we actually have put glowing RenderWorks texture objects. So they'll actually glow here and they'll shine up. You won't see them in OpenGL. OpenGL doesn't show anything like that, but you can actually see them in this rendering mode. You can actually see it shine up, and these will actually cast light, and they reflect on the floor here. It's a very good way of doing box lighting. So if you're doing like a recessed fitting for either product display or recessed lighting up in a roof, or track lighting that's in there, it's a very good way of very simply doing that. You just do one object, one little small extrude, the shape of the light, put a glow on it, and it'll actually shine through and glow that way. It's just something else you can do with textures. You can make them do quite a bit of work. Again, not OpenGL, only RenderWorks.
We also have a video on YouTube on our regular YouTube channel called Faster Rendering Fluorescent Lights. You should see a link to it if you're on YouTube on this video. It goes into detail of why you would use glow versus an area light to get this sort of neon or fluorescent lighting texture. You can sort of see it here. See this sort of hot spotting that you're seeing here with the glow texture? When you turn the values up for that, it'll clean that up, but you'll still get that hot spotting with area lights a lot of the time unless you turn the quality much higher. Glow will give you a little more of a realistic pattern. The area light's a little more harsh. And it just goes into detail of how you don't use the texture for the whole object, you just use it for the light bulb or the glass of the bulb. Check that out if you want a few more details on that.